Okay, guys, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. You might be thinking from last minute what's going on here. Some of you may have been figured out already. This is the latest Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and we are going to do an extreme test on this phone. So this phone has been kept on the freezer for almost 12 hours. That's why it was in the frozen condition, and still it is in the frozen condition. Okay, and this container contains 100 plus liters of water. So that means on the rough figure 100 kilos of water crushing the phone or applying the pressure on the phone. So we do these kinds of extreme tests if the phone is IP68, right? The Galaxy S21 Ultra is amongst the most costliest Android phone, and these kinds of tests we have already performed on other brands too. Like the last brand we tried, LG G8X, it failed, and before that we tried on OnePlus 8 Pro, it failed, even though both of these phones are IP68. And before that Apple, it passed, and here the timer is running. This phone is still working. And before that we tried the similar on the Samsung, the Galaxy Note 9. That phone is still working with me, and I have in my box. So let's see. I'm going to put this in the water for almost 30 minutes, even though it's not a 1.5 meter depth, but we will be checking with the 100 liters of water. The pressure is really high. Let's see if the phone going to survive or not. And after that we are going to do the drop test of this phone, Gorilla Glass Victus on the rough and tough Indian road. So wait for that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, stop. Okay, let's see. So what's going to happen? Is the phone, the Galaxy S21 Ultra, working or not? I waited for almost 48 hours just to make sure like there is no such problem at all, because the last phone we tried the same kind of test with the LG G8X. This phone also has an IP60 certification, but somehow the back panel got swollen after 8 to 9 hours, if I remember correctly. So I need to get the phone repaired and get it done. And the similar kind of thing happened with the OnePlus 8 Pro. After a few hours, like 3 to 4 hours, that one again started doing some nasty things. So here's the phone, Galaxy S21 Ultra, and it's been 48 hours since we have done the freezing and all the 30-minute dip test, and phone is perfectly working. Just to show you guys quick demo, here's the thing. For example, the charging port, USB Type-C, working fine. Same tray is also working because there's no water inside. You can see the network is coming fine, and there's no such problem on the display. And let's try out the speaker. ग्लास की क्वालिटी कैसी दी गई है इस Galaxy S21 Ultra में, जहाँ पे गोरिल्ला ग्लास विक्टस यूज किया गया, उसको चेक करने के लिए हम मोस्ट स्केल्स ऑफ हार्डनेस यूज करते हैं, डिफरेंट न्यूटन्स. So both the speakers are also working, like on the earpiece grill and on the bottom one too. And by the way, you can check out the remaining stuff on my other channel in case you are interested. And if you are in India, you can understand Hindi. Fingerprint sensor working properly. Let's try out the camera. 1x, 3x, and 10 obviously is too much, so it won't be able to show it properly. Let's try out macro. Here's the macro shot, and all worked fine. So camera is also working cool. And here's the selfie camera with a face unlock, working fine. So that's okay. So far phone is pretty much solid, and it's one of the best phone that we have seen that does IP68 better, because the last phone Apple we tried SE2, it passed all the tests, but maybe after 1 or 2 hours I tried the bend test and somehow the back panel got cracked. And about the drop test, stay tuned. We are gonna dropping it with some other good phones, the newly launched phone. Also we are going to be testing the Victus against the Gorilla Glass 6, 5, 3, 3 Plus with a lot of phones, including on the upcoming mega drop test. So thank you so much guys once again for watching this video. This is Saurabh. Have a great day.